Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to verify your YouTube account. First, open your web browser. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner. Click on your profile picture. A small menu will appear. In this menu, click on the option that says YouTube Studio. You will now be taken to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. Scroll down and click on the option that says Settings. A new window will pop up. In this window, click on Channel, then click on the tab that says Feature Eligibility. Here, you will see two sections. One says Standard Features, and the other says Features that require phone verification. Under this second section, click on the button that says Verify Phone Number. This will take you to a new page where you can start the verification process. Now, you will be asked how you want to get your verification code. You can choose either to receive a text message or an automated voice call. Most people find the text message option easier, so select that. Then, select your country from the drop-down list. After that, enter your phone number. Make sure the phone number you enter is one that you have access to right now. Google will send a 6-digit code to this number. When you are ready, click the Submit button. That's it. You have now verified your YouTube account. You can now use more advanced features and grow your channel more easily.